After a quick meeting to go over ride details and schedules, we were issued our official Cross India Challenge swag. 3 t-shirts, a helmet bag, and a rider's handbook. So now that we're all set up, we did a riders meeting and we get to finally meet our scooters for the ride. Here's mine. I know it's mine because it's got my name on it. Honda Activa 4G. I think that's 4th generation. Okay, tell me who you are, where you're from, and why'd you come to India?
My name's Jen, I'm from San Francisco, and I'm really excited to be in India because it's a fabulous place.
And why scooters?
Because I love riding scooters. And these 2 nutbags agreed to join me.
Nutbag number 1 and nutbag number 2. So look at all the pretty scooters. Everybody's ready to ride. What do you think?
Brakes work.
You excited about your ride?
I'm super excited. Yeah. 12 days riding through the Indian countryside sounds like a blast.
So Mr. Hunter, what do you think? Are you ready to go?
Sure. Let's do it.
What are you most excited about?
Don't know yet. Let's get out there and find out. See what's out there.